Shed Corgi, play them funky tunes. Alright, so a few things have happened this week. I found my diff. It was buried in the corner. And I received a parcel from America. It contained 2 really large washers. Now, let's get to explaining this first. Now, the rear hub of the Liberty, you got the backing plate, it's got a bearing block mounted into it, it's got the caliper, and on the inside of here there's actually a drum brake, and that's the handbrake. So this mounting area here we're interested in. Now, this is the backing plate off the Brumby. Now, the hole in the center, it's a lot smaller. That much smaller. So, what we're going to do, strip this apart, so it's just the backing plate. So it's just the backing plate, and then the ring fits in there. Really neat fit. Thanks, Jim. And once I've got that in there, I'll TIG weld it around the edge. These 4 big holes, well, this has 4 small holes, and well, yeah, these big holes, they're going to need to get plugged in as well. So once that's TIGged in, these holes are plugged, then I'll mark out this template onto here, drill some more holes, and then all the rear end can go together. First up, strip these backing plates down, get rid of everything off them, wire wheel them, clean them up so they're bare metal, and then I can weld them. We have a plan. Perfect. So, started raining and windy outside, so I kind of scurried off inside. Now, all the hub worked, it all bolted together perfectly, so I'm going to do the other backing plate and then paint this and get it ready. Now, I didn't get time to fit the diff, but it's just a straight swap. The gold hub that I put in there, that's basically a part you can't buy anymore. It was a special order for the Subaru forums. There was about 30 pairs made and I got the last pair, so yeah, you can't get them. But there are other options. It's getting close to the deadline to get the brumberty going. The countdown timer says 19 days, but I've really only got about 13, because that's the way things go. So I've got a machine shop is making some custom chromoly shafts, these big CNC machines, so the front shafts will be just hit the button and print some out, and then buy a couple more CV shafts and swap the ends onto it. Now I've already bought them, so yeah. So if you want the front shafts, I can get them machined up and made. So again, these rings that I'm welding in, they were from another very small YouTube channel like my own. I'll put a link in the description to his channel, so go check out his mini boats. I'm gonna keep welding with this, and well, as always, customize everything. Rear brake conversion.